My name is Musimuzi Isaac, a student of Namilyango College, and I'm in Form 3. Before this competition, honestly speaking, I really had not indulged so much into climate change and finding out how the female gender is actually more punished when it comes to this, and it made me realize that there's a part we have, there's a role that we have to play. Us as the youth, future generations will have nothing to worry about because my mother's light will have shone all around, right from the health to the wealth of our community. Everyone will strive, so let her speak, let her guide, let her lead, let her rise. Her life is proof, her story shows that justice always blooms where fairness grows.
And if the earth should bear a name, to light the path through the fire and flame, it should be hers, both fierce and true. For all together, climate change won't be news, for the youth will still have views.
Let our voices go higher than the smoke. So let us rise, young hearts, with fire. For the bands won't quit, administer the flare.
I really thank the National Energy Renewable Platform for enabling us to come here to present all of this, because I really do believe that we actually had a chance to advocate for the community. I urge all of you to at least get renewable energy cookers, gas cylinders and biogas, because this actually can help us fight climate change, and it's renewable energy that is really good and works very efficiently.